ग्रेजुएशन कब किया?
सर 2012 सर।
सब्जेक्ट?
मैथ्स ऑनर्स।
मैथ्स ऑनर्स। ऑप्शनल क्या है?
सर पब्लिक एडमिन सर।
ठीक है। भारत से क्या कर रहे हो?
सर आई प्रेजेंटली आई एम वर्किंग इन सर इंडियन एयरफोर्स।
इंडियन एयरफोर्स। अच्छा। पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, लोक प्रशासन,
सर
विषय तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का ही है।
यस सर।
तो आपके नजर में लोक प्रशासन पढ़ने से एक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर को क्या क्या फायदा होगा?
मैं स्पीक इन इंग्लिश सर।
ओके।
Sir, by the reading of public administration as a subject, sir, we have 3-4 more edges than other students, sir. First of all, it will give the large scenario of the administration. Second one, sir, it will give our management skill as well as the type of communication which are used in an organization. Third one is, sir, moreover we are doing that work, so we have a same syllabus before that, so I can go through that, and then I can very well know what is the problem will we have to face in our journey.
You mentioned organization. Luther Gulick uh, given a theory of 4 P's. What is 4 P in organization? Luther Gulick.
Sir, sorry, sir, currently I am not re- recall it.
So, what is difference between organized and unorganized sector? Yeah, organized and organized organization.
In a sir, normal language, sir, organized sector have a clear-cut hierarchy. It was registered with the government, and all the they have a different section in their organizations, and their economy are very financial rooted to the financial line. Whereas unorganized sectors in India are very not very registered with the government, as well as that their hierarchy in a public administration, their hierarchy, their communication channels, and other things are not very clear cut defined.
What is postcard? POSDCARD.
Sir, Urvik and Gulvik has given this acronym postcard. Their acronym means is planning, organization, staffing, C for coordination, R for reporting, and B for busting.
A4.
Sir, so
P again we mentioned P4.
planning, sir.
O4.
O for organization,
S4.
staffing, sir.
D4.
D for direction, sir.
C4.
CO for sir coordination, sir. R for reporting and B for budgeting, sir.
Okay. What is different between development administration and public administration?
Sir, in our third in sir public administration, we generally read about the whole aspect of the administration, which also include the public policies, uh, execution, and their feedback, as well as the execution part of the government. Whereas in now after the independence in third countries, we have seen that the development is a main aspect for the administration, because private sector not very handy to fulfill the development aspect of these countries. So administration taken have these responsibilities, and the development administration will now be a new. stream of the develop administration of the public administration, where main activity is related with development, and the public administration was cover up with the all the aspects like judiciary, executive, and legislature, all the part of the government.
So, what is competitive public administration?
Uh, Sir, in competitive public administration nowadays, in era of NPM, there are more sectors which can provide the same services which are generally provided by the government. So these administration are called the competitive administration.
Uh, what is the role of competitive administration in our type of administration? Is it fruitful for India type of government or not?
Obviously, sir, it will fulfill. It is very necessary for the Indian type of countries. If we see that India have a very large population and the varsity is a very much in the Indian continent, so one type of administration cannot fulfill all the aspect of the needs. So competitive in, administration can fulfill their needs according to the their needs.
Uh, through local self-government, uh, it is expected that decentralization model will go to grassroots, but the real resultant is not there. Why so?
Sir, the concept of the sir, local self government to for empower the to the local people and enhance the grassroots level democracy. But sir, there are some problems in that, like state are not devolving the power to the local self government, sir. So it will now become dysfunctional in their functions. Second one, sir, they require huge type of financial resources which are not available with them, and they also have a scarce of human resource management. Third one is, sir, people also don't want to participate like it was earlier suggested in the local self government, sir.
Uh, finance. You mentioned financial decentralization. वित्त आयोग जो है लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट फाइनेंस कमीशन इसका मेंशन किस आर्टिकल में?
Sir, Article 280, sir.
280,
sir. 80.
No, in local self government.
In local self government, sir.
Yeah, finance commission.
Sir, currently I'm not. Sir, it might be. I think, sir, it is 243E.
Sure?
I'm not very sure, sir.
Okay. In 14th Finance Commission and 15th Finance Commission, some heavy amount recommended for local self-government. Okay?
Yes, sir.
What is that? And what is the difference between 14th Finance Commission, 15th Finance Commission? Who given better weightage to local self-government?
Sir, in 15th Finance Commission, sir, it has given more weightage to the local self-government, sir. Because some point has been.
How can you see?
Sir?
How can you see?
Sir, actually, sir, I don't remember the data, but sir, now it has been increased, sir. With the
what is next question? What is the recommendation of second administrative reform about local self-government?
Sir, second ARC has given us several reforms about that, sir. One of that, sir, state should give more power to the local self governments, Second one, sir, the local self-government should discover their own way of resources, like municipal bonds, as well as the fee and other fee and charges from them. A separate cadre for the local self-government, sir, for the HRM point of view. Third one is, sir, yet it has been provided with the constitutional power, but there is no a single type of local self government in our India. So it must be formed like a single type of self government throughout the India.
What is bureau system?
Uh, Sorry, sir, I can't remember it right now. Can you
Which
please?
popular model of hierarchy uh, is popular in India?
Sir, top to bottom hierarchy.
Yeah, top to bottom hierarchy. Top to bottom hierarchy. It is a model of Yojana Ayog.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes, sir.
today we are different way. Niti
Bottom,
Ayog,
bottom
Niti
to top
Ayog,
approach, sir.
bottom to top approach.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अच्छा math subject.
What is the parameters for urban self-government in our Bihar?
Sir, I think, sir, to its population must be about more, not more than, not less than 2 lakhs, as well as not less than 50, not more than 50% are involving in the agriculture sector, sir.
What is the name of urban local bodies?
Municipal corporation, sir.
There
In the
are
Bihar,
different.
There are so many different parts, different names.
like municipal corporation, municipal council, sir.
Others,
Corporation, uh, municipal corporation. Uh, Sorry, sir, I cannot remember it. It cantonment board and
no cantonment board is not in Bihar.
बिहार के बारे में बात हो रहा है आपसे, तो आप जब उसके यूनिट का नाम ही नहीं जान रहे हैं तो फिर उसके पैरामीटर्स को कैसे बता पाइएगा?
yes,
अच्छा, अभी कितना नगर निगम है हमारे यहाँ बिहार में?
sorry, sir, I cannot
हाल
remember.
ही में 5 जिलों को नगर निगम में अपग्रेड किया गया है.
Yes, sir.
कौन कौन सा जिला है?
Sorry, sir, I cannot remember its name, sir.
अच्छा, मोदी जी के द्वारा अभी लाइट हाउस प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च किया गया है, इसके बारे में बताइए.
Sorry, sir, I have not read it yet.
अच्छा, अभी अपने इंडिया में कोरोना किस किस वैक्सीन पे काम चल रहा है?
Sir, one is, sir, from Bharat Biotech. Second one is from, sir, Serum Institute. And
आप कंपनी का नाम और उसके वैक्सीन का नाम एक साथ बोलिए कि कौन सी कंपनी मिलकर कौन सा वैक्सीन बना रही है.
I think, sir, Bharat Biotech is making Covidex.
किसके साथ मिलके? भारत बायोटेक और किसके साथ इसके ऊपर काम कर रही है?
Sorry, sir, I am not fully aware of it.
ओके. अच्छा, ये अभी ड्राई रन चल रहा है और बिहार में हाल ही में कई जिलों में किया गया है, तो कहाँ कहाँ किया गया ड्राई रन?
Sorry, sir, in Bihar I don't know, sir.
अच्छा, वित्त आयोग की चर्चा कर रहे थे सर, तो आपने 15वें वित्त आयोग की सिफारिश को पढ़ा है?
Sir.
पढ़ा?
Yes, sir.
तो सबसे अधिक वेटेज उन्होंने किस सेट को दिया है?
Sir, is population, sir. Population in forest. Forest
कितना पॉपुलेशन को है वेटेज?
No, sir, 10%, sir.
नो नो 15% है। और अच्छा, पॉपुलेशन की बात करते हैं तो 14वें और 15वें में आप क्या डिफरेंस देखते हैं पॉपुलेशन को लेकर के?
Sir, one thing is added, like which state who has done better in a population control, sir, given they have more weightage in the 15 Finance Commission, sir.
एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ बेस ईयर पॉपुलेशन?
Sir, 71, sir, 1971.
इन 14 और इन 15?
In 15, sir.
नो,
Sir,
15वें
इतना,
में सिर्फ 2011 के पॉपुलेशन को ही बेस माना है,
yes, sir.
और 14वें में दोनों 1971 और 2011 इस दोनों को लिया गया था। इसने इनकम डिफरेंस को सबसे अधिक वेटेज दिया 45%।
Yes, sir.
तो ये क्या होता है इनकम डिफरेंस?
Per capita income, sir.
नहीं नहीं, ये जो हेड बनाया गया इनकम डिफरेंस, इसका क्या मतलब होगा?
The state who generally generate revenue, sir.
आप हमसे पूछिए मत, आप हमको बताइए। ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप हमसे पूछ रहे हैं।
Sir, I think, sir, the revenue generated by the state is called as a income. What is the difference between the revenue generated by the state is called as a income difference?
अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन ये है,
Sir,
ऐसा लग रहा है कि उत्तर प्रदेश में
sir,
लोकतंत्र का राज नहीं है, पुलिस का राज है। आप इसे सहमत हैं?
I'm not fully agree with, sir.
That means some part you are agree, you agree?
It may be, sir, it has seen that somewhere police atrocity has happened, but moreover, sir, law and order is in now more control in the UP, sir.
और ये अच्छा, ये बताएं, एक विकास दुबे का कांड हुआ था,
Yes, sir.
उससे पुलिस ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया था।
Yes, sir.
अच्छा काम किया था,
Sir, one thing was
तो न्यायालय को तो बंद कर देना चाहिए। पुलिस ही सारा डिसीजन ले लेगी, कोर्ट तो बेकार है। रूल ऑफ लॉ की जो हमारे लोकतंत्र का जो कड़ी है, रूल ऑफ लॉ, वो तो खत्म है। कोर्ट बंद कर देना चाहिए, पुलिस ही सारा कुछ निर्णय ले लेगी।
yes, sir. Extrajudicial killing is not permitted in, sir, our democracy. But if the situation is uncontrollable, then that time, sir, limited type of encounters, and Supreme Court has given us several guidelines, sir.
इसी लव जिहाद का जो समस्या है, यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? लव जिहाद होता क्या है, जरा बताइए आप।
Sir, it was a term given by the political parties, some of the political parties, like one person marries with the other person without disclosing the religion, and afterwards he tried to force two women for conversion of the religion of her religion, sir.
तो आपके यूपी में तो ये कानून बन चुका है।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो उसमें पुलिस एट्रोसिटी नहीं हो रही है।
But sir, for if we are hiding our religion and then we are marry with her, it is a one type of deceiving to her, sir. And after that, we are compelling to change their religion. It's also a violation of fundamental rights, sir.
जैसे लखनऊ को भी पुलिस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में चेंज कर दिया है।
Yes, sir.
क्या हुआ है वहाँ पे?
Sir, now police commissionerate has been functional in the Lucknow, sir. Lucknow and Noida.
क्या जरूरत पड़ी इसकी?
Sir, it has seen, sir, in a recent development, sir. Like if metropolitan cities are very big, so one time single command of line order will improve their line and order position, sir. So now police commissionerate are now functional in Lucknow.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, यूपी जो है वह धार्मिक उन्माद और सांप्रदायिकता का केंद्र बनता जा रहा है, क्या आप इसे सहमत हैं?
No, sir, I don't agree with it, sir.
अच्छा, मतलब वहां सब कुछ सौहार्दपूर्ण है?
सर एवरीथिंग इज नॉट राइट, बट मोर ओवर सर
अभी हाल ही में जो इंडिया के लगभग 40 प्रतिष्ठित पद पर रह चुके व्यक्ति हैं, उन्होंने मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ को एक पत्र लिखा और उस पत्र में उन्होंने यही बात लिखा कि भारत के सभी राज्यों में यूपी में सबसे अधिक नफरत और घृणा की भावना है। बड़े बड़े पद पर जो वहाँ डीजीपी और आईएएस रैंक के पदों पर काम कर चुके हैं, उन लोगों ने ऐसा पत्र लिखा, ऐसे लगभग 40 व्यक्ति हैं। तो आप कैसे कर सकते हैं कि यूपी में जो है तो अच्छा माहौल?
sir, it might be happen, sir. There will be any problem, but we cannot see the whole thing in a one type of vision, sir.
सबसे अधिक सांप्रदायिक दंगे यूपी में होते हैं और हमको लगता है कि हर सरकार के काल में 1-2 दंगे होते ही है वहाँ, सांप्रदायिक दंगे।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, रुको। आफ्ताब, तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू कब है?
18 को है सर।
18 को है।